Imagine sending money anywhere in seconds. No banks, no fees, no middlemen. Too good to be true? Maybe. Or maybe it's the future. That's the promise of blockchain and crypto. But is it a real revolution or just another bubble ready to burst? In Blockchain Bubble or Revolution, the authors break it all down. No hype, just facts. Is this the next internet or a digital scam? Get ready to find out. The hype and the hope. In 2009, an enigmatic figure named Satoshi Nakamoto unleashed Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency built on a groundbreaking technology called blockchain. Picture a digital ledger, immutable, decentralized, and transparent, where every transaction is recorded across thousands of computers. No single entity controls it, no middleman skims a cut, and no government can easily shut it down. Bitcoin's price skyrocketed from pennies to $69,000 at its peak in 2021, minting millionaires overnight. But with great hype comes great skepticism. Critics compare the crypto craze to the dot-com bubble, pointing to volatile prices and failed projects as evidence of an impending crash. Yet, believers argue blockchain's potential extends far beyond Bitcoin, promising to reshape industries from finance to healthcare. Who's right? Meta, Agash, and Detroja, product managers from Google, Microsoft, and Facebook, tackle this question with a clear-eyed approach. Their book doesn't preach, it dissects. Drawing on interviews with nearly 100 tech leaders, real-world case studies, and creative metaphors, they make complex concepts accessible. No coding or math degree required. How blockchain works. Let's break it down. Imagine a notebook shared by a group of friends where every page records who owes who money. Everyone has a copy of the notebook, and when someone makes a transaction, it's written on a new page. Before adding the page, everyone checks the math to agree it's legit. Once approved, the page is locked forever. No erasing, no rewriting. That's blockchain in a nutshell. A decentralized ledger secured by cryptography and consensus. Bitcoin uses it to track digital money, but blockchain's applications go way beyond crypto. The authors dedicate roughly a quarter of their book to explaining blockchain's mechanics. Blocks, keys, mining, nodes, using analogies that stick. For instance, they liken mining, the process of validating transactions, to solving a complex puzzle that rewards miners with new coins. This clarity sets the stage for exploring blockchain's real-world impact. The revolution, where blockchain shines. Blockchain is more than just Bitcoin. It's a tool that removes middlemen, boosts security, and builds trust where none exists. The book shows how it's already changing industries. In finance, Ethereum's smart contracts power decentralized finance, DeFi, where users lend, borrow, and trade without banks. By 2025, DeFi's value lock tops $100 billion. In supply chains, Walmart uses blockchain to trace food instantly, preventing E. coli outbreaks. Microsoft applies it in gaming for royalty payments and offers blockchain tools on Azure. In big data and IoT, it secures smart home devices and provides clean, tamper-proof data for AI. The key? Use blockchain where trust, transparency, and decentralization are essential. The bubble. Why skeptics cry foul. But let's not drink the Kool-Aid just yet. The book candidly addresses blockchain's dark side. The crypto market's volatility is staggering. Bitcoin crashed 50% in 2022, wiping out billions. Many altcoins like Ripple or Litecoin struggle to differentiate from Bitcoin, fueling market confusion. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, in the 2010s raised billions, but often ended in scams or failed projects, drawing comparisons to the dot-com bust. Regulators like the SEC grapple with classifying cryptos as securities, creating legal uncertainty. Skeptics argue blockchain's hype outpaces its practical utility. Many projects lack scalable solutions, and energy-intensive mining, Bitcoin's network consumes more electricity than some countries, raises environmental concerns. The authors note that public blockchains, while decentralized, are slow and costly compared to private alternatives used by corporations. For every Walmart success, there's a graveyard of overhyped startups. Bubble or revolution? So, is it a bubble or a revolution? The authors don't pick a side, they equip you to decide. They predict blockchain's future hinges on solving scalability, regulation, and adoption hurdles. Emerging trends like stablecoins, for example, Tether, and tokenized national currencies, China's digital yuan, could bridge crypto and traditional finance. Meanwhile, decentralized ledger technologies, DLTs, beyond blockchain like IOTA's Tangle, aim to address speed and energy issues. The book's strength lies in its balance. It celebrates blockchain's potential, empowering individuals, disrupting monopolies, while exposing its risks, volatility, fraud, and overpromise. Exclusive insights from tech leaders like Mike Novogratz and Nir Eyal add depth, grounding the analysis in real-world perspectives. Should you invest? Investing in crypto? Proceed with caution. The authors outline security best practices, for example, cold wallets, KYC compliance, and warn of breaches like the 2014 Mt. Gox hack, where 850,000 bitcoins vanished. They stress understanding the tech and market dynamics before diving in. Crypto's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a high-risk, high-reward gamble. In conclusion, Blockchain Bubble, or Revolution, is a smart, balanced guide for anyone exploring crypto. It doesn't hype or scare, it explains. With stories, clear examples, and sharp insights, the authors show how blockchain could be the next internet, or a massive bust. Most likely, it's both. A powerful idea still growing up. Read it, think critically, and join the conversation shaping the future of money. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and support our channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you.